How to save location on Google Map. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To save location on Google Map, make sure that Google Map is up to date. You can do this via App Store or Play Store. So after updating your Google Map, open it. Now search for the location that you want to save. To do this, click on the search box icon located on top of your screen. Now type in the name of location and then tap on the location that you want to save. Here, let me save this location. So tap on it. Now it will lead you to the location. So to save this location, here on middle of your screen, you will see different icons like direction, start, order. So simply scroll this. And then on right hand side of your screen, you can see this icon, save. So tap on it. Now here you can see bunch of lists on which you can save your location. So select any of them. If you want to create new list, tap on new list icon located on top of your screen. Now simply type in the name of list and then click on create. Or else simply go back and then select any of the list over here and then click on done located on top of your screen. This is how you save location on Google Map. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.